Bye, Kenemun, Senko, China, Zelon was in Ketata, because in Euro, the Marcosero, Etumbo. Makanacho Kuno gave one name, Makana. You're one on the Queba, Igechai, Yamani, Zuki. Obokana moto Igbo Tempali as a Kwanaji Park because which Yamoto does. Manon was he had the man uncle. Also, no bona. Hagen Tikitanoya, Bega, Opuzia, Akwa Okuko, Afokande Mother Mata, or the mother Akwabo, Iko, Mona, then another video no one for 1 night on Cable Governor Zoku. You only put regarding Moto Iri Ji Park. Can have moto a choice we able to Omenala was good housing for the comment section. By one on board.
Hi everyone, Akwa, this is the Shanamite, the people's governor. Akwa Kekime. I'm from video is in a J-Park boy or boy. And I saw another one, J-Park is in a borough. Is Oga. J-Park, let me start with you. What the elder saw while sitting? If the youngest giant let him climb the tallest mountain, he will not see it. Even if he climbs the tower, it can only add to his limits. But can never exalt him higher than God and those who sees far. J-Park, if that vehicle or if that car Akwa gifted you will bring argument, return the car to him. I say this again. With fewness of heart and all audacity, brother. Since Akwa gifted you this vehicle, I'm telling you from a distance, the car Ebutrela Akwa and the DBB are problem. Anaja, why? And some bloggers who try to they've been fighting you. You know the people I'm talking about. Just unlike your brother whom you mentioned in your previous video. Not Ethiopia ne Zuzugare. Okay? Akwa, back to you. You said in the video that you know J-Park as far as 5 years ago. But I put it to you that it was J-Park who gave you the space. Iji Ndi Igbo ego ani neji abambata. Because all you about on social media, forget about all that's coming out to make noise. It was J-Park who made many native doctors to know that it is possible to deceive our people through social media. I don't know if he did these things because, or maybe knowingly or unknowingly. Maybe he was doing it for fun. But after 5 good years, all you could refund this young man with Woodless is 350 or 330, as the case may be. It shows you are not a good boss. Stop calling people your boy. Stop that in here about womas. Ibuyeria gold that no man can give to him. You heard what I said to J-Park then. You are aware. I said to him, you can reject the car. Governor Zoku will give you 1 million naira. I took my own step. And you heard it, Akwa. Now, I didn't say that because J-Park Ejirego Mota. J-Park worth it. He has the money on his own. So I wonder. Lastly, J-Park, I advised you secretly to sell off that car. Sell it. Go for the one you want. Something higher than that one. Add your own money. So after all these years, you must have worked with Akwa. He made billion through you. All he could give to you Lexus. And since then till now, Akwa rushing to social media daily to call him your boy because Nigo yana Lexus. You bought that car for him very, very late. Makanona baga choshi bata. AK go according to everyone's finger and hands. Okay? So gifting him the car now is not new and shouldn't be an avenue for a ride. And I didn't know Akwa. I know that your friends in the DB are gonna have one now because of that car. Close your mouth and hide your face, brother. Hide your face. Obrune wegoro ka J-Pack si or somebody potragi in Atonya 3-4-5 million naira for kite. In I am mado 100. That's about 300 million. Out of 300 million naira, you gifted him a car of 7 million or 7.1 million. Is that a big deal? Is this all you could do for somebody? Which means when you give something, you have put on social media back where you have bought this for your wife, whom is your boy. What's the meaning of that? Chipu tegini me. Because what you are bargaining for, speed, you got to delete your page. Because when you get what you're asking for, what you're looking for, you start running around. Remove your hide inside. Heaven and earth. People, guys, men from Zion, men from other places, we are telling J-Pack, halas. Had a bombino. In Arabic language, bombino means a small child. They were calling you bombino. So close your mouth. Some people will see it as poison. So anybody, if you gift anybody anything, the person collects it from you, it shows that person loves you, Akwa. So make little noise over this. Make less noise over this. Stop the noise, brother. Stop the noise. You did not buy heaven and earth. Governor Zoku put it to you. You did not buy heaven and earth for him. You didn't buy heaven and earth for him. So I suggest you wait. You stay calm. J-Pack has many of your secrets if he has one. Which means you bought that car for him to close his mouth, not to even say anything. Not to say now your boy. Before now, now again now. You, particularly you, stay quiet. Those bloggers in the year to 200,000 naira, of which I have the debit alert, I have the evidences. If go, how many of them your boy on social media? So why is this one different? Because of lesus. Those ones say now, but did you buy them with your own money? As you always claim, maybe it's not mad. So somebody bought a car for your dibia. Onya ha put na social media. Many of you, that is your format. Oh no, not a send moto. So where are those people who bought those cars for you? Yeah, go and sit down one place. What's all this sonar noise and abracadabra? Man, see everywhere. Oh no, posting these things. The bloggers you pay monthly to cover you up. Come boldly and write now how your boy. My name is Mr. Governor Isiagu, the Shanamat.
As you can video, subscribe on this channel. If you subscribe to the channel, go like notification, please like notification button. I post the video phone and film by national daily. Bonnet number. Because I'm mountain Kaya and Attire, highly busy. I am a Kuala Lumpur. Cordon and Bossa. I don't want